Hey, my name is Corey Heron with EarthQuaker Devices here at 2019 Winter NAMM, here for guitar.com. We're going to be talking about our newest release, the Swiss Things, our pedalboard reconciler. So to give you a run through of what the Swiss Things has to offer, we have an input. Right off the input, we have a buffered tuner output. That signal then goes into two true bypass loops. Loop 1, you'll see on the first row here, is unbuffered, and that's going to be for all of our velocity-sensitive effects, vintage fuzzes, overdrive, stuff like that. Our loop then returns and goes into a volume control circuit. This we can control with any expression pedal, and that has a buffered expression out right underneath the tuner. Our signal then goes into loop 2 that has a buffer on the input, and that's going to be for all of our modulation, reverbs, delay-based effects. Our signal then comes back into loop 2 and goes into a boost control circuit. That gives us 20 dB of clean boost on a separate switch here. Finally, our signal is going to see a Y-splitting output that we can choose between output A and B. B is transformer isolated, and we also have a polarity flip switch that can keep all of our amps in playing nicely with each other, or any other effects chains that we're going to be putting pedals on the output of the Swiss Things. So to demonstrate what the loops are really nice for, we're going to be having loop 1, I have the Westwood and the hoof set, and with one click for the loop 1 switch, we're going to engage multiple effects on at one time. For the loop 2, I'll have a Rainbow Machine and Dispatch Master to bring in a chorused reverb. So here's a clean sound. We're going to bring in loop 1. Clicking on loop 2, then we bring in our Rainbow Machine and Dispatch Master. One other great thing about the Swiss Things, on all of our switches, we have our flexi switch technology. This allows us to either click the engaged switch like normal as a latching switch, or if we click down and hold down the button, it intelligently switches over to a momentary switch, so when we let go, the loop turns off. This allows you to implement any effects from any other companies using our flexi switch. So this is on all the switches except for the AB for the output there. So that gives us boost, momentary, or latching, engaging loop 2, momentary, or latching. So a really cool way to engage with your effects in a new manner. I guess the only other thing to say for our new releases for 2019 NAMM, our Dispatch Master, we just upgraded to a V3 model. And the only difference between the version 2 and the version 3 is we implemented the flexi switching into the stomp switch. So instead of just having a latching switch, we now have latching or momentary. So thanks a lot. My name is Corey for 2019 Winter NAMM for EarthQuaker Devices.